Hey guys, this is Nick with the Dogtra Company, and today I'm going to be diving into the new NCPT system that we just got. It's going to be the new Pets Tech Edition. It's an intuitive compact trainer. So today we're going to be showing you an unboxing of what comes inside the box and giving you a quick tutorial on how to get you up and running. So if you're interested in learning about this new product, please stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of the 200 NCPT. So right now we're going to be showing you what comes inside the box. First and foremost, we always like to touch on this. This is your NCPT user manual. Comes with a quick start guide insert. This is very important that you do not lose this insert, because not only does it tell you how to get up and running with the system, but it tells you how to utilize the stimulation lock on the unit itself. Okay, so that's a big one. Do not lose this paperwork. Here is our NCPT remote. Again, this is a Pets Tech version. So it is going to be a one-handed stimulation dial, 0 to 100. Here's our stimulation lock, our pager, and our tone, and then our NIC and continuous function right here on the side. Again, one-handed stimulation control, so we can move it up and down. Comes with a test light inside the package. Comes with our charger and splitter cable, so we can charge both the remote and the collar at the same time. And then it comes with, of course, our lovely NCPT compact trainer collar. This is absolutely amazing. NIC continuous high performance pager, 0 to 100 stimulation levels, and a half-mile range. So absolutely a great system. Enhanced stainless steel medical grade contact points right there. Yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. Hey guys, so we're going to be showing you an overview of everything that comes essentially inside the box. We have our 200 NCPT transmitter right here. Comes with our awesome 2-inch antenna, stimulation level lock right here, 0 to 100 stimulation dial, pager, audible tone, NIC, and continuous function. Also, here is our charging port on the back of the unit, so you can charge the unit as well. And there is the magnetic on and off dot that turns on the collar. Okay, the collar, now, again, overview on this. There is our LED light that essentially tells us the collar is operational. If we notice it is blinking once every 4 seconds. The red dot is how we turn the collar on and off. Again, medical grade stainless steel enhanced contact points. These are great for the system, and again, a rubber cap to be able to charge this unit as well and keep dust and debris out of that pocket. Hey guys, so we're going to show you a nice startup tutorial to get you going with the system. To turn the remote on, the actual remote's actually in a state of standby. So if we press any button on the remote, it will cause the green LED to come up indicating that it is functioning. Now, this indicator light also does another purpose as well. It gives us our battery life indicator as well. If we were to press a button and it was to go yellow or red, that would indicate the battery life. Yellow being half charge, red needing charge. So that's one awesome thing about this system. Now, to be able to turn the collar on or off, what we will do is we will essentially touch the 2 red dots together. So right there, we'll touch them to each other. The collar will then make a tone indicating that it is turned off, and you'll see the red LED. And then to turn the unit back on, we touch the 2 red dots together until we hear the triple beep from the collar and the green LED lights. Again, now, when that's on, we should be able to press pager and be able to hear it vibrating, our audible tone, okay? And then also, we are able to check the stimulation level with a test light that we have right here. Essentially, we just put the test light onto the unit as such, dial the stimulation levels up, and then we should be able to provide a correction using the remote. Now this system has a very, very unique stimulation level lock that is right here. So we can essentially set the remote to whatever level we prefer, hold the tone button, and then flick the switch down into lock. At this point, doesn't matter what we do with this dial, it will be set to the level that we locked it at. So essentially, if we press the button, it should be a bright light indicating that I locked it at 100. So that is an awesome thing about this system. To be able to charge these units, again, we're going to lift the rubber cap. We're going to take our connection point here, plug it in, and with our systems, we do provide a splitter cable, so you can charge both the collar and the remote simultaneously. 2-hour rapid charge batteries, and we are good to go out the door with the system. Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize the stimulation level lock on your new 200 NCPT system. So by default, out of the factory, the stimulation level locked will be set to 0. To be able to adjust this, you unclick, unlock it, and set our stimulation level, and now our collar will output at that level of our choosing. Now, to set the stimulation level lock to the level that we would like, you need to hold the tone button and then flick down to lock. When flicking down to lock, it sets the remote to this level. Now, when we press this button, it will always be at that level. Even if we change the dial, it will always be at the level that we initially put it at. And we did set it to 40. So again, if we want to change the level on the stimulation lock, we need to unlock first, change the level we would like, hold the tone button again, and hit lock. Now we've assigned the new stimulation level to the remote. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial of the 200 NCPT. Go ahead and pick yourself up one. It's at Pets Tech. It's available today. If you guys have any questions in regards to this system, please do not hesitate to reach out to either myself or anyone at Dogtra Customer Service. We'll be more than happy to provide you information and get you guys up and running.